Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. And as you can tell by our title, today we will be unboxing BoxyCharm's base box for the month of June, okay? So for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, all the information will be down below. So if you'd like to try it out for yourself, you will be ready. And there is also a code there for you so that you can get some goodies on your first box. Okay, so when we open it up, this is what the inside looks like. Not too much, just want to show you, okay? But the first thing that we have is our information card. And our theme for the month is Status 000. Okay, so let's see what the first item is in our box. Okay, so it says the first one is by Alleyoop. How about that? And it is the Stack the Odds, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. And it says it's a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, a bronzer, and highlighter for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for natural glow, okay? And it says you can apply it directly with your fingers anytime, anywhere, or of course use your makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. It is travel friendly and in a lightweight compact, okay? The cream formula doesn't break like traditional powder products, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $38. Now, the box says this is a multi-use face stackable palette, okay? It is a 0.28 ounce size, and it is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. And it has, if I'm not mistaken, and I really hope I'm not, it says it's a 24-month shelf life. How about that? Okay, so when we open it up, of course, there is a coupon code on the top, and the shade of my stackable is called Cocktail Hour, okay? And, okay, it does say it's on a 12-month shelf life, but this is what the inside packaging looks like. Here's the name of our palette. And let's just check it out and see. It does have a mirror, okay? And check it out, spin it out just like that, okay? So, do we want to swatch? I think we do. And I think we'll use, oh, that is beautiful. Wow, okay. You know, when I notice now getting older that the cream products are better for me. I believe they look better, they even last longer when you apply them correctly. But here are the shades that come in my palette. Now let me just tell you this. This contour palette on the top, okay, it's sometimes really hard to find the exact shade. That right there is amazing. For me, yeah, I'm feeling that. Okay, so this is item number 1. Let me just say, I believe we are off to a very good start. Okay, come on, BoxyCharm, work with me here. So, let's move on to the next item. And that one is by Kate Somerville. And it is the goat milk moisturizing cream. All right. And this is what the outer packaging looks like for this one. And it says clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients, known to soothe dry, tight skin. It is inspired by the Relief founder, Kate, experience as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. Okay, that's always good to know. And this one, the manufacturer suggested retail price. You ready for it? It is $76. Okay, so let's just check it out. On the back, it says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish the skin. Okay, and this one is a 1.7 fluid ounce size, and it says condition and restore. And this one is a cruelty-free product, and it actually has a 12-month shelf life. That's pretty good. Pretty good. So let's see what the inside packaging looks like, which is this right here. Now, normally I wouldn't just open a moisturizer right off the bat, but I'm opening this one because whether I use it or my G babies, they have eczema. Okay, it has no smell, which is amazing. Okay, technical term, fragrance free. Okay, but I'm very interested to see how this works on their skin, because eczema is no joke. It feels really good. Feels really good. Okay, like I said, it does not have a fragrance, so that is a plus. And I will definitely get back to you with information regarding how this one will work out. I wish that Sidekick was here so she could try it out, but nonetheless, I will give you a follow-up possibly with her. Okay, so that is item number 2. Then item number 3, this one is by Jacka Black, and this is the Glow Drops. And this is prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy, natural glow. Apply all over face using your fingertips before your base, okay? Glow Drops can be worn alone or as a buildable highlight when completing your makeup look. That's interesting. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $20. And this one, the shade that I have, is called Rose Pearl. Okay, and it says it's a highlighting primer for the face. It is a 0.67 fluid ounce size. It is vegan and cruelty free. It says be fearless, you look fabulous. Okay, and let's see. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well. All right, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. Now, this one I'm not ready to open yet. Oh my, I tell y'all about these products that we get that are usually nowhere near full. This one is completely full. I'll hold it up to the light and I can't even see through the tube. That is a good thing, okay? So let's just see how this one is going to work out for us. So that is item number 3. And item number 4, well, let me just preface this by saying you've seen this before on my channel. Why? Because I received this before on my channel in a previous BoxyCharm. And I did get a letter from them telling me that I received a duplicate product. And here we go. It's this one right here. And this one is by Natasha Denona, and it's the Cupid eyeshadow palette. Okay, I am not going to open this one. I am not going to swatch this one. I will get mine and I will show it to you, because this one will probably be gifted. Okay, but it says, with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics, the versatile 5-pan Cupid palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks. Okay, they can go from flirty to fierce, featuring rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundy corals. And all 5 shades are velvety, hydrating, and effortless to apply and layer. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $48. Now, I'm sure that I swatched it before, but I must tell you, I love this palette. I've used it several times. As a matter of fact, I'll post a look up here where I actually wore this eyeshadow palette. It was wonderful. And it really does have a 24-month shelf life. That is not bad at all in this makeup world, okay? So, this one I will definitely put to the side. All right, so the last item, yes, we're down to our 5th and final item, is by the Beauty Crop. And this one is a liquid eyeshadow duo. Okay, and it's a dual-ended, long-wearing liquid eyeshadow. On one side is a creamy velvet pigmented matte formula, and the other side is a dazzling liquid glimmer formula. They are easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched. A double dose of fun. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. Okay, I'm here for this. Now, the shade that I have is cinnamon, and on the other side it's fudge. All right, and this one is a cruelty-free product, and this one has a 12-month shelf life. Do we want to swatch this? I think so. I think we do. Okay, now that I took the plastic off, look at that. You can really see it a little better, but we're going to see it even better than that, because we are going to open it and swatch it. I want to just tell you that this one is truly tamper resistant, because it was not easy trying to get this open, okay? I just want you to know that. It was not easy. So if it's easy for you to open without a knife or a scissor, it's probably been tampered with. Okay, so I did swatch it. This one on the bottom is cinnamon, okay? That's this right here. And this one on the top is fudge. Tell me what you think. I'm loving this. So I tell you what, when we do our try-on review and first impressions, since we've already done a look with the Cupid palette, I'm going to try to focus my look with these two. Now, I mean, we may get a little pop here and there on this one because, you know, just so that we can see if we can put it all together, which I'm sure we can. Okay, so, how are we feeling about BoxyCharm's base box this month? Well, So I'm getting closer and closer to a decision. Do our BoxyCharm base box, which every quarter will also get the Luxe box, and then just cancel the premium. But I've come to really like the premium box, but this is a bit much because, like I said, we're getting a lot of the crossover. So this is the first box in recent months that I have not gotten something that was, you know, previously in a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or the X, but I'm okay with this. I absolutely enjoyed receiving this plethora of items. We got skincare. We also received, if you really want to say it for what it is, we have 2 palettes, but we do have a face palette and an eyeshadow palette, as well as this. Okay, now, and of course the highlighter. But this particular one, there was a lot more makeup than anything, which is fine. I'm okay with that too. So let me know down below what your thoughts are, and help me to make this decision for this channel with your help. Okay, so I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox our BoxyCharm base box for the month of June, to which these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.